Hey everyone, I am doing the iCat a Day project with Laura Free's group, and some of them I'm following prompts, some of them I'm not. But I'm also going to do a separate one on my own, just doing an iCat a Day, making journal cards, because I'm out of them basically, but I want to make a bunch of journal cards to use up the rest of the index cards I have. So, for the iCat 2021 and Laura's prompts, I think I'm using the tabs that I bought from Miss Johnny over at Junk Journal Shop. I love these tabs. So, I put June and July separate. And this is just a little collage in the background with a magazine cut out. It says, if you ever need a slightly distracted, unsympathetic friend, I'm here for you. And it kind of just looks like the look on that cat's face, because we all know how cats are. And then this one is a napkin. And it says, I'm glad we share a sense of humor and understanding that I'm slightly funnier. And I used to use one of my journal little cutouts on this one. I think the prompt was napkin. I don't remember. This one I think was, I don't remember anyway. This is just magazine collage, and then one of the little unicorns from my journal stuff. So friendship must be built on a solid foundation of sarcasm and shenanigans. And I want to apologize. I know my voice sounds horrible, but I had a severe allergic reaction to some seasoning that goes on Mojo chicken. I thought I was going to die. This is the worst one I've ever had. And I'm still not over it. So it's been 2 days. This one was a ransom note, and I used the backgrounds from the punch letters on where you punch out a word from the We Are Memory Keepers thing, and some Hershey's candy bar wrapper. This one, I'm having a real hard time getting motivated to do something by a prompt. And I'm working on it, but I'm having a real hard time being creative following a prompt. But this was bird. No, this was stars. So I put these little birds up here sleeping under the stars, and just some inks, and the Dollar Tree white Sharpie ink pen, was really a paint pen, and the word dream, which was punched out. This one was birds, so I did some tissue paper, some alcohol ink, some washi tape, and just put a little snarky saying on it, and it says, sometimes in the morning I think about other people I'm going to piss off today, and that's now. So I'm caught up as of last night. Of course, by the time you see this, I will have done some more, I hope. Next, I want to share with you what I've done from the 1st of June to today, which is the 5th, on my Creative Monthly. And this is a journal that Christy Biddleston made and sent to me, and I just love it. And I put June 2021 here. And this is part of Recreations by Brooks journal stickers. However, these are cut out because my stickers haven't got here yet, but you have the option on her Etsy store to download these and print them out yourself. And I just put them in, hit print, didn't even print them on sticker paper because the stickers are coming in the mail. I hope soon. You hear that, Brooke? I hope soon. Anyway, this is a stamp I have, and it reminded me of me and Mr. Pete, so I just stamped it and colored it and decorated the front. This was the 1st. And it says, going to pick up meds. I watched Kathy Berg and Colleen and got some great organization ideas and some other great stuff. I'm working on paper bags from Arlene for journals. And pain, go away. Do not come back another day. And let's see, Wednesday the 2nd was a medical day. I got cleared for surgery tomorrow. They had to change some medications because I'm a free bleeder. And my blood is entirely too thin, so they give me medication to correct that. And they had to give me a stronger dose because, I can't get cut without taking extra medication. And then I watched Jersey Creative, and I watched Rosemary and Popo, and I just decorated a page. Medical says, I wish retail therapy was covered by my health insurance. I wish my health was covered by health insurance. Again, so they want to pay less and less. Okay, on the 3rd, I watched Lisa and Tanya, of course. I had skin cancer surgery today. And Publix texted and said my drugs were ready. And I went up there, and they weren't. And then I wrote down here, holy crap, allergic reaction from hell. Yeah. And then I put here, ooh, people, because he's looking through there. So, Friday I had a terrible, horrible allergic reaction. Last night, worst one ever. I thought I was going to die. I slept off and on, not feeling great. I went live with the ladies, but I had to leave. Acid reflux is horrible, and now Pete is sick too, so he got sick from that Mojo season too. And yeah, it's kind of ironic that it's a good day to have a good day, but I had already decorated the page before this hit. So today is the 5th, and let's see, I got my Amazon Yeti order. I watched Debbie Epps, I watched Johnny, and I learned that the micron pen smear, I had no clue. Pete and Steve took Nick camping. I couldn't go because I don't feel well. And let's see, I've got Sunday ready to go. I've got Monday ready to go. Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm hoping my stickers will be here by then because I hate cutting stuff out. Thursday's ready to go, so I'm decorated up to Friday. And I'm kind of going to stop there until I get to Friday to see if I want to keep going with the same thing or if Brooke's stickers will be here. Or if I just want to change it. And as for the iCads, I'm going to do some separately. I'm going to continue with Laura's and follow her prompts. And I'm going to do some separate, and I'll try to do these on lives. But I want to do some that I can make up for journal cards. And I really have a hard time following prompts. Really have a hard time following prompts. I'm fine with it, mixed media, but for iCads, I don't know. I don't know. I want to do some miniature art on them, and I also want to do some themes on them for journal cards. So we'll see. Okay, guys, that's it for now, and I will see you real soon. Bye-bye.